piece of the puzzle: document creation and design. So, Gautam, when it comes to creating documents in the financial space like flyers, brochures, reports, or policy manuals, what features does Zoho Writer offer to help teams craft professional and a consistent document?
Well, you can begin by applying custom styles and themes to reflect your organization's brand, whether it's fonts, colors, or spacing. And also, if you're working with documents like client reports or policy manuals on a regular basis, then you can make use of custom organization template, which will help you save time and maintain consistency across your documents. And not only that, structuring your content is made more simple with page layout and sectioning, which is especially helpful when you're working on documents like brochures, handbooks, or multi-section reports. And to reinforce your brand or include important document details, you can add watermark and customize your headers and footers with logos. And furthermore, we also have table formatting, which will allow you to break down your entire report and provide it in a clear view. And furthermore, for long documents, we have a table of contents available, which will allow you to generate a clean, clickable overview of your document with just a few clicks.
Understood. So let's take a typical situation in a finance team. Your loan department is launching a new home loan scheme with reduced interest rates. So you want to spread the word quickly with professionally designed flyers that include all the key information like loan details, eligibility criteria, and contact information. Now, normally you would depend on a design team or juggle between multiple tools just to get this done. But with Writer, you don't need to. So, Gautam, can you show us how someone in a finance team can create a flyer directly within Writer without relying on any external design tools?
Definitely, Jennifer. So here is a document, and we have created it from scratch within Zoho Writer. So as you can see, for creating such documents, you would require a design tool like a Photoshop or anything that you are aware of. So now in this case, what we have done is we have added images, and using shapes and using the multiple section layouts, we have created this document within Writer. So let me show you a quick overview on what are the characters that we have added. So here you can see that this is a particular text box, and we have added an image, and within that we have added a text box to display the contents. So we have used various wrap types like inline, and here you can see that this is in front of text. So using these wrap types, we'll be able to achieve such a clean and a well designed layout in this document. And furthermore, when moving on, you can see that we have added column breaks so that we'll be able to add multiple columns within the same section of the document. So here you can see that this is a 2-column layout. So the separator here indicates that it is a 2-column layout. And when you go over here it is a single column layout. So this is how you can achieve multi-column layouts using column breaks and section breaks in the document. So these are the various factors that we have included, and not to mention the QR code scanner. So in this case, we have inserted a QR code where you will be able to configure so that the users can simply take out their mobile devices and then go ahead and scan to get into the website. So here you can see that we have various options available. So you can configure anything based on your preference and insert the QR code into the document easily. So that's how simple it is for you to design a template in Zoho Writer from scratch. So we have an exclusive webinar where we discuss from scratch on how to design using shapes, adding images, and all the multi sections that we talked about right now. So we will be sharing the webinar link so you can have a check at it later on. So yes, that will be all.